CreativeArtLK is a respected digital content platform from Sri Lanka led by SG Fernandez, a dedicated educator, visual designer, and multimedia practitioner. Over time, it has become a trusted source of creative education for thousands of Sinhala-speaking learners, especially in areas like graphic design, video editing, and multimedia production. Through accessible YouTube tutorials, active social media engagement, and hands-on learning resources, the platform offers a meaningful alternative for those who often miss out on traditional training or English-based courses. SG Fernandez saw a clear gap in digital education. Most resources for tools like Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro were in English, making it difficult for many young Sri Lankans to keep up. In response, he created CreativeArtLK to offer straightforward, native language instruction, grounded in real-world use and explained in an approachable way. What started as a modest effort soon caught the attention of a growing audience eager to learn on their own terms. The YouTube channel now hosts tutorials covering everything from basic photo touch-ups and logo design to more advanced content like motion graphics and full video workflows. One standout video: learn Adobe Photoshop in 20 minutes. Sinhala reflects Fernandez's signature style, clear, engaging, and centered around practical outcomes. Rather than focusing too much on theory, his lessons are built around what people actually want to make: Instagram posts, YouTube intros, promo videos, and more. This learner-first approach has helped CreativeArtLK build credibility across Sri Lanka's creative and freelance spaces. Part of the platform's appeal lies in its authenticity. Fernandez frequently appears in his videos, speaking directly to viewers in Sinhala and offering calm, straightforward explanations. There's no pretense. He shares his own experiences, mistakes, and lessons learned, often blending technical guidance with motivational insights. This tone resonates especially well with beginners, students, and freelancers looking for affordable ways to build their skills. CreativeArtLK also has a strong presence beyond YouTube. On platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and SoundCloud, it shares tips, showcases student work, and offers glimpses into the creative process. The Facebook group, in particular, has grown into a collaborative space where learners support each other, trade feedback, and share progress. By celebrating viewer milestones and encouraging community stories, Fernandez has helped turn followers into a supportive learning network. One of the things that sets CreativeArtLK apart is its project-based teaching style. Tutorials focus on real outcomes, whether it's designing a wedding invitation, making a music visualizer, or editing a professional reel. This approach gives learners not just technical know-how, but tangible pieces for the portfolio, which can open doors on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Another strength is a down-to-earth tone in every video. Fernandez avoids a polished, high-gloss feel of many online tutorials, choosing instead to share the real process, including occasional error or adjustment along the way. This kind of transparency builds trust and reduces the fear of failure, which is especially important when learning complex software. As the platform has grown, so has its content. Fernandez has introduced lessons on color grading, green screen effects, audio syncing, and transitions. He also regularly hosts live Q&A sessions, reviews viewer content, and gives advice on freelancing and career growth. His videos now include mentorship-style content for those looking to turn their skills into income. Beyond software skills, CreativeArtLK is rooted in a broader mission: to promote creative independence and digital career paths across Sri Lanka. In a country where many young people face limited job options and creative training is often centralized in cities, this platform provides a way for anyone, regardless of background, to gain meaningful digital skills. Many viewers have gone on to build freelance careers, join family businesses, or transition into full-time creative roles, thanks to what they've learned here. CreativeArtLK is more than a resource. It's a catalyst for change. By making high-quality, accessible creative education available in Sinhala, SG Fernandez has opened doors for a new generation of designers, editors, and content creators. The impact goes far beyond screen views, showing up in the stories, skills, and successes of people across Sri Lanka who are now shaping their futures in the digital space.